Hello, everyone. I am Karla Dennis, and I am going to be showing you a simple way to protect yourself from the IRS. That's right, you're going to learn how to protect yourself from Uncle Sam. Let me tell you what is going on with the IRS since they passed these new tax laws, my friend. Audits are on the rise. These new tax laws came into play and they reduced tax bills for corporations. So, you know what that means? That means that Uncle Sam is now going to be going after individual taxpayers. And that means you, my friends. I want to give you some tips on what you can do to protect yourself. Tip number one, you need to file your tax return on time. I need you to stop listening to people who tell you to file your tax return with an extension, to file your tax return late. File your tax return on time so you can blend in with the crowd and minimize your chances of being audited. Tip number two, report all your income. Too many of you are telling me that you're being paid under the table, that you have these side gigs, side hustles, and you are not reporting all your income. Well, I am here to tell you, my friends, IRS has ways of determining what your income is. Let's report all of your income so you do not end up in an audit for failure to report your income. Tip number three, break your business expenses down into smaller chunks, smaller categories. I am seeing too many big categories. I oftentimes will see office expense and it'll be a big lump sum number. Smaller numbers are better because IRS does not tend to audit when numbers are really small, but when numbers are really, really big, IRS will audit you. So don't give yourself that chance. Decrease your chance of audits by breaking your expenses down into smaller categories. Most people fear the tax man. I get it. IRS can be scary, and most people are afraid of them. They can levy your bank account, they can knock on your door, they can audit you, they can garnish your wages at any time. But the real reason people fear IRS is because they just don't understand how the tax man works. Once you understand how IRS works, that fear will leave and you will feel more confident in taking your write-offs. And let me tell you, most audits happen because taxpayers are not sure of what their write-offs and tax deductions should be. That is the reason why most audits happen, because you put the wrong thing on your tax return, you're Googling for it, and you don't have it squared away. And we need to make sure that you get it squared away. So I am going to show you, my friends, a simple way to know if a write-off is legal or not legal. And I will reveal that on my webinar. So I want you to join my webinar, How to Write Off Almost Anything, and I will reveal for you, my friends, how to tell exactly whether or not a write-off is legal or non-legal, whether it is deductible or not. I can't wait to see you on the webinar. Bye for now.